I got a nice giveaway for you all. First, I ain't giving these away, but these were given to me. I did this on Instagram, so you want to see that video, I'll put a link below. Just want to thank Connor TV, gave me these Jordan Retro 4s. It's like a late birthday present. They're dope. They're dope. I wore them to the Star Wars premiere, and people were like, yo, I want to be like you, instead of being like Mike. No, they didn't say it. But anyway, listen. I have this, you've seen this if you watch my channel, this Taco Bell Xbox One X. It actually makes the sound when you turn it on. Actually really cool. This is a 1 terabyte. I was in my closet, like, just cleaning out. I was like, oh my God, an extra Xbox. So before Christmas, I was like, get one to you. So this will be, the link will be below for the giveaway. This is the Gleam giveaway. If you're a subscriber, you're good. And then if you want to have some bonus entries, you have to follow me on Instagram if you want those. But if you're a subscriber, you can enter automatically. 1 terabyte Xbox. That's a good deal, isn't it, cameraman?
It's amazing.
Yeah, I didn't say you talking. You're supposed to do up and. Okay. Also, if 1 terabyte's not enough, I'm gonna throw in a game drive right here. This is 2 terabytes. So I just had an extra one of these that was given to me by Seagate. I'm gonna put that in. Isn't that a good deal? We're just like throwing in that. You can actually talk about this. Okay. Awesome. I just spit too. This is a steelbook of Call of Duty Modern Warfare. So look at that bad baby. That was an extra that I have. So you get this. There's also a controller in here, one of my special ones. So I don't know which color, but you get a special controller. You get Call of Duty. You get the drive, and you get. Okay, so you get my signature. No one cares about my autograph, do they? No one.
I like your signature.
Really? Should I sign the box?
Ooh, yeah.
Yo, let me know in the comments when we sign the box. I don't know. I don't like my signature. Stupid. But anyway, you want to do all this? There's a Gleam link below. Just want to do something before the holidays to say thank you all for a great year. And I am doing some ancillary content on Instagram. So if you want to get some extra stuff that you won't see here on YouTube, follow me there at Lamarr Wilson. I think that's it, Tay. Listen, thank you for filming. And thank y'all for watching. Remember the links below. Like the video, and I'll see you next time.